Welcome back to the Crypto Arc. This is Jay. I'm going to give you some updates on some of my recent investments, which is Thor and Power. The reason why I'm going to keep doing some videos on both of them is that these two are the leading projects when it comes to DAS and NAS, which is something fairly new. So DAS stands for like DeFi as a service, basically doing like mutual funds, and NAS is nodes as a service. So they're basically purchasing nodes from other reputable projects, like right now is Phantom, and whatever yield they get from that, they basically use that yield to do buybacks on the actual coin. Now, before I show you guys or even talk about the recent updates, I just want to say nothing in this video is financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Okay, so do your own research, like what I do on a daily basis. Because doing research, the more you learn, man, the more you earn. Okay, I don't know who said that or where that originated from, but yo, I can say that that statement is true. The more I learn about crypto, the more money I made, especially from these guys right now. All right, let's take a look at the market. Okay, it's going up slightly bit just based on this. So whenever the stable coins right here on the negative signs are on the red, that usually means they're pulling out and buying assets. And seeing as how CME opens tonight, it's mostly gonna go up. Okay, because that's just what CME likes to do. Okay, first thing we're gonna talk about Thor. So 24 now, let's go 7 days. So it's been steadily going back up again, where the market is gaining confidence towards this project. Now, where it's at per coin, it's not even its all-time high. This project, once again, it's only been, what, a month now? A month and a half? Actually, fuck, it's just a little bit more than a month. But anyways, its previous highs are only like $400. And I'm not even going to go to the story of this guy again. Anyways, it's sitting right here. So this slight pullback it's fucking healthy, man. People gotta take profits to pay for bills and all that other yada yada. But if you take a look at the volume, guys, look at that. It's been huge here. Okay, so all these people gotta do is basically hold. Now, what's happening next month is that they're going to have a new contract, and they're gonna announce that this coming Monday, what it is, what it entails. And they also have other ideas in mind, like NFTs. So it's gonna get to a point where Thor, the Thor nodes, Odin nodes, whatever, they will be hooked into an NFT, basically like having an identifier that this node belongs to you, this and that. But anyways, that also gives it the ability to be sold into the market. So other people can buy your nodes, whereas right now it's kind of stuck in the same wallet. And these other NFTs that they're going to create basically gives it superpowers as well. So let's say the claims tax is, let's just imaginary one, 30%. Okay, if you have an NFT attached to a certain node that gives it superpowers, like possibly lowering the claims tax, then yes, you will get that. And there's also NFTs that they're in the process of making that will lower the return of investment time and increase yield. Now, don't fully quote me on those yet, because that was just written somewhere in their Discord. So we're not entirely sure if those are the only ones. We're just gonna have to wait with the announcement. And basically, they're using this whole entire month to work their fucking asses off towards building a new protocol. So right now, it's Thor is considered to be a ring of fork. Ring of fork, a fork of ring. What the fuck am I saying? But with the new protocols and the moves that they've been doing, they've basically differentiated themselves away from Ring. And for those of you that don't know Ring, it's okay, I don't know either. But I did. What I heard was that the developers in that team basically just fucking ditched the project. And there was some major FUD happening. And basically, the FUD that was occurring in Ring trickled all the way to Thor and Power. And yo, the Thor team has been especially the developers, they've been working their asses off to solve the cell pressure, and they've done exactly just that. Other projects could not do that, and they basically took that information and gave it to Power as well, who they are in alliance with the Union of Transparency. I don't have the picture right now to show you guys, but in the Union of Transparency, there's, I think there's 5 of them right now. We got Thor, we have Power, we have fucking, I think, Vapor or something like that. Vapor Nodes. I don't plan on getting that one. They also have Hive and Comb Finance. Comb is also doing nodes as well. So with the whole Union of Transparency thing, I think the goal is to basically provide a more trustable community in the DeFi space. But how I see that is that, well, when these guys group up together, they're gonna become like a powerhouse, because there's multiple teams working towards a similar goal, and that will also increase the chance of them being seen by possibly very reputable venture capitalists like Andreessen Horowitz. Yo, if they can sustain these numbers or whatever the rewards is, and Andreessen Horowitz sees it and he likes it, yo, sick, yo. For those of you that don't know that Jew, he's a Jew. And whenever a Jew touches something, it turns to gold. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm just being fucking stereotypical here. But yeah, that guy, A16Z is his company, Andreessen Horowitz. Yo, anything that company touches, man, it's very promising. They do their research really well. And yeah, I'll talk about that some other time. Anyways, that was just wishful thinking, but yeah, man, next month they're gonna have some crazy ass updates regarding a new contract that will basically separate Thor from all the other competition. They're gonna have the NFTs implemented, and they might change the reward system. Don't quote me on that, but the whole idea of sustaining the this project, they can't keep using the same rates they have now in the long run. It's just not possible for everyone to get 6,900 APY. I mean, their algorithm bot is like really good at trading, right? But trading is not the only way they're making money. They invested in a validator node from FTM, 2 of them actually, so that way people in the Thor community can delegate and stake their FTM within that node and earn more passive income. And the passive income they earn from the node, from the FTM node, goes back to the treasury, and then they'll just use that for buybacks. So I'm like, fuck, it's a win-win situation for everyone, man. All right, let's take a look at their Discord. They're public, so fuck, they're all about transparency. So I don't mind showing their Discord here. Okay, so take a look. Roll count remains same. Last week I believe it was 19. So yeah, they've definitely been increasing the number of people in their team. Member counts has been going up. Also user counts as well. That's kind of normal. And if you see here, the number of nodes is now over 26,000. I think when I started doing videos but yeah, this is going up slowly and slowly. Not even slowly, it's going really fast. Okay, let's look at some of their announcements that just happened recently. All right, so they're going to be providing a status update, and the new contract is coming Monday. And they also had a key issue with their second validator node. Oh yeah, they already fixed this issue. So basically, yeah, they have 2 nodes now. So this is the main thing that I wanted to show you guys right here. And let's see, if you want to know more about them, they have their FAQ here. So whatever questions you have, definitely just scroll through this. Okay, you know what? Let's just how to buy, troubleshoot, what is FTM validator node, how to compound claim, all that shit. If you want to know more of those things, just look in the Discord, man. Just read all this shit. I'm going to show you guys their current investment right now, which still remains the same as last time. They invested in time, strong as well. It's funny because people from the strong community kept fudding Thor, and some of them regret it now because Thor is basically making more moves than them. Now, from what I heard from someone in the community, is that the person or one of the developers in the strong community, he was heavily involved in the EOS project. And for those of you that don't know EOS, it's one of China's baby. It's basically a very scalable project. But anyways, he went from that project to now building Strong, and they're in the process right now of building their own blockchain. That's the last thing I heard. So don't quote me on that. Do your own research on this one. So basically, Strong is almost doing the same thing as Thor. However, with Strong is that they can only take the investment from, let's say, new, what do they call it, new node owners. And they say, yeah, they use that money to invest in certain projects and make money from there, and that's how the strong noders get their passive income. What Thor is doing differently is basically they're doing what Strong is doing, but they're also buying nodes on top of that, like actual validator nodes, to earn more income. So with the validator nodes, it makes Strong's what I call it, rewards rate a little bit more sustainable because they got something that's working, that's real, and like Phantom is a very scalable project, okay, and it's gonna be one of those projects that's gonna make it. That's my honest opinion. Why? Because very strong use cases, and I remember last year in January when I saw that thing at a penny. When I checked their website, they were already live. Their technology was already being used in multiple countries. So I don't know what changes they've made since then because I haven't checked their website in over a year. But Phantom is definitely one of those projects that's going to make it big, man. And a lot of these other influencers in the crypto space, they're basically talking about Phantom as well, how they're gonna make it big this year. Now I don't exactly know what Phantom is doing and what current updates they're doing, so you're gonna have to take a look at that. Let's move forward. Anchor Protocol. I have no fucking clue what that is. Hector DAO. That's a DAO. It's kind of like Climate DAO and Ohm, but I'm pretty sure there's a little bit more rewards there. I don't know too much about it, so I'm not even gonna talk about it. Matic. Oh fuck, man. So last year I was looking at this thing when it was like 5 cents or so. I regret not moving in because fuck, this thing went to like $3 as of I think today, around $3 or so. Actually, yeah, let me see. Oh, this is the AVAX. My bad. We'll check with Power, okay, what the price of. Fuck no. Oh, it's not Polygon. My bad. I keep getting mixed with Polygon and Phantom. My bad. Okay. And their sixth investment was into FTM, Luna, and Ahom. So if you want to verify that, you can definitely take a look into these transaction links right over here. So as you can see, they are super, super transparent, guys. Whatever move they do, they tell the community. That's what I love about them. They're not hiding anything. All right, and their seventh investment was more FTM. They announced one validator node, which got people happy. But then when they bought it, they're like, oh, yeah, we lied. We didn't just buy one, we bought two. So people were super happy. So that's it with the investments. And also, guys, they do buybacks. And they even tell you about it too. So whenever a company does a buyback, that's an easy ride up. So yeah, that's another thing why I love this project. Okay, so I think let's see the previous high on this one, just recent for this week. It was around $130. Yep, 133. So currently right now, I have God mode activated. So when you have God mode, let me show you guys. For those of you that don't know, I know there's always some new person, which is cool. I welcome you. So there are 4 different types of nodes. I didn't connect my wallet because my stuff is with my brother. See right here. Odin node is the most expensive one out of all of them. It costs right now 78 Thors. So in today's price, that is a shitload. Probably around 10,000. Actually, maybe we'll find it here. Yeah, look at that. 78.125 Thor. And it earns 2.733 Thors a day. To get Thor, you need 12.5, and it earns 0.33. Anyways, combine all of them. That's how much I'm earning daily. I only have one of each right now. So if you put that daily right now, so I should be getting like 3.2, 3.1 Thors a day. Now, in the current price right now, it should be around like $300. So just on this project alone, I am earning $300 a day, passive income. Now, is that going to be permanent? No. Later down the road, it's probably going to change. I'm probably going to get like less rewards in terms of coins. However, the value of that coin, each coin will definitely go up. So even if I'm getting like one coin in a day, and let's say a month from now, or maybe 2 months, wherever, the value of that coin can be 500 or 400. So it doesn't really matter. It's still going to be the same. Plus, I'm compounding to create more nodes. I'm on my way of making my second Odin right now. And I think I'm a couple days short, but I'm definitely making another Odin. Once I have 2 Odins, I'm going to be making around 5 Thors a day. So that's like 5 bills, man. I'm excited. I'm super excited for that one. So once I make my second Odin, I think I'm going to keep stacking up on Thor. Because that's the easiest one to make out of all of them. That has a really cool price ratio. Earning ratio. Of course, Odin will earn the most. But in terms of scaling, I think I'm going to keep hunting Thor. Stack up on this guy. And once they have their NFT update, fuck, man, I'll just give them as a reward to my friends, which I plan on doing anyways. So that way they can earn passive income as well. You know, some of my friends, they've been with me since 2020. Well, actually, they've been there with me before that, but they really trusted me when it came to crypto, and that means a lot to me, man. Because I got some other people that I have in my life that don't really trust me in the things that I say. They don't even bother entertaining it, and kind of sucks, man. Kind of hurts my feelings, but you know what? That's just life. But you know what? That is their downfall, in my honest opinion. Why? Because they're missing out on many opportunities that I'm looking at, and I'm honestly doing my best to like try to share to them, but they keep rejecting it. But sooner or later, man, I'm sure they'll open up again. Whatever. This whole pandemic shit is just so fucking annoying right now. But other than that, the pandemic's giving us money. All right, let's take a look at not their other project, but the other project that's similar to Thor, which is Power. Nice. Okay, don't be too scared of this one, even though it dropped 46%. Keep in mind, they only have around 1 million in token supply. Don't look at this. They did something, and then it needs to be updated. And basically, Power Nodes is Thor 2.0. They had some issues with their coding, and basically the Thor team helped them out. And now they're part of the Union of Transparency, so basically, they're going to make the same moves. Power Nodes is running on the Phantom chain, whereas Thor is running on the AVAX. Okay, so previous high, or nah, I shouldn't say previous high, or the recent highs that it made this week is $22, and it's making a bit of a correction, which is normal, man. Corrections are healthy. My initial buy-in is $7, around $7 again. I tried getting this price right here, but just things were not in my favor. Basically, things came in late. I was only able to buy here. And once again, when I found this bottom, I was like, yo, fuck, this is a good opportunity. But things weren't working out. Things weren't aligning again. And then Bitrue gave me issues around here. And then once Bitrue stopped being a bitch, I was finally able to buy again, which I have around here. So I'm like, fuck. I could have gotten more, man. Had I been able to capitalize around here, especially here, or here. And I remember too, my original plan for Climate Down when I made, not Climate Down, what the fuck? Power Node was to just make a quick flip because I liquidated one of my strong holdings just for this quick flip right here. And then somewhere around here, I basically turned my 3,800 to 11,000. I think somewhere around here. And then I was like, you know what? Just looking at the updates that these guys are doing, the movement as well, I think these guys will definitely make a big splash in the new economy because they're the THOR and Power Node. These two projects are leading the way for nodes as a service, and there's nobody else in the industry right now that's making the same moves. So these guys are already in an industry that is not what they call famous yet. Okay, so they are the pioneers of this new trend that they're setting. And because of that, I pulled the trigger. Like, you know what? Since my brother was holding it, I just told him, yo, let's just make a lot of superhuman nodes. So similar to THOR, they too have 4 different tiers. Let me see if I can find them. Uh-oh. Fuck. Flex your generator. Maybe it's here. Fuck you. Fuck. Oh, shit, yo, this is me. Yo, what's up? Oh, fuck, I can't even. Look at that, guys. P-whore. Alright. So here's what I got, okay? Here we have flat versal, microscopic, human, and the rest are superhumans. Know what I'm saying? So the superhumans, their daily yield is 0.7 a day. So yeah, I got a shitload of superhumans right now. I am happy with my purchase, okay? So I think let me count this for you guys. 5, 8, 10, 12. I got 12 superhumans, so 12 times 0.7, that should be a lot. 8.4. Now, if we add human, microscopic, flat versal, okay, fuck them, I don't know what it is. But I am making 8.4 or around that area power coins a day. So that should be around 8 bills right now. So let's just say I'm making $100 a day with this one right now, with the current investment that I have. Let me show you guys a little something here. Oh yeah, this project came up almost the same time as THOR. Anyways, let me show you the price. Right here. Look at that. So the previous high was around mid 100s. And as you can see, current price right now is only $11. So is this a good investment in terms of it going up? I definitely think so, because look at it, it's in the low. So if you want to make money, man, you gotta buy low and then sell high. Now, look at this. This is the high. Look at the volume. Fairly low, right? We're lower than that now. But look at the fucking volume. That means people are fucking buying the shit out of this. And yes, more confidence has been moving towards power because of the recent updates that they've been doing. Let's take a look at what they're doing right now. Let's see. Dev updates. Alright. So they have done some interface, whatever, user interface updates because the current website right now is very shit. Alright. So that's pretty cool. Now, both teams actually have been KYC'd by SureDeFi. So for those investors that are scared of not knowing the team that's involved, I assure you they are working on that. They've been KYC'd, especially the lead developers. However, when it comes to, let's say, a security audit, they're not on that yet. The reason why is because they're in the process of creating a new contract. There's no point of them doing an audit now which is going to cost them around 60,000, and then introducing a newer protocol, and then doing another audit on that, because yo, that's just what, around 60K of wasting right there. And yeah, 60K is not something that I pulled out of my ass. I was actually watching some AMA regarding Comb Finance and Vapor Nodes, and someone in there stated that a Certic audit, which is some security blockchain company, in order to do an audit with them, it costs 60,000. So yeah, that's where I got it from. Let's see her. Let's see what did they make. I think it was here. I don't want to show it. KYC is 100% coming. Yeah, NAS migration. So they're also in the process of buying more nodes. In discussion with the Phantom Foundation for a potential partnership. Damn. So that's pretty cool. That's one. Let's see. If you're part of the struggle, don't have nodes, I will hate to see you bang high. So all these updates are completed. We will not only be offering the same service as strong, but better. Whoa. Yo, I don't know about that, man. Yo, I'm just joking. I was thinking Thor for some reason. I keep getting these things mixed up. But anyways, them saying, yo, they're gonna beat strong. Yo, I think that's a big statement to make, but I look forward to it. Why? Because I'm invested in this project anyways, so it's gonna go up. All right. Let's see here. Next few days is going to be busy and interesting for the community. Yay. I hate to promise you, but you will not be shocked to see all these in just a few days. Ooh. I personally do not stand for getting the community calm with the words, because that's for the mods. But working hard to ensure the sustainability of power is my life goal. I'm going to do everything to ensure we end up to the top. Okay. I hope you don't rug on us. Nah, I'm joking, guys. I'm not going to create that FUD. It's just a joke, man. So as you know, we're on our way to long-term sustainability. Yeah. We'll be making changes, but you will also be aware of every step. Thank you for being amazing in the community, and those spreading FUD, just know we won't give up. And I definitely do believe that, as of right now. Okay, so let me show you guys some of their investments. Where is it at? Treasure ideas. Okay, maybe I claim it. Ah, they're right here. What the fuck? Stupid me. Okay, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't be negative towards myself. I am not stupid. I am just very interesting. Alright. So they have invested in Strong as well. Hector Dow in time, similar to what Strong did. Strong, I mean Thor. And they... Oh, okay. This is something that Thor has not done. Is invest in this one. TOME. I don't know too much about this project, but I've been seeing people in the community talk about it, so I'm guessing it's a good one. So yes, they have delegated their FTMs in Thor's FTM validators. So yeah, they're basically feeding each other, guys. This is like some Ponzi scheme right here, but in a good way. Okay, why is it good? Why? Because I'm benefiting from it. That's why. That's why it's good, and you could be benefiting from it too if you actually get the nodes. And that's not financial advice, man. That is passive income advice. Fucking idiot. It is passive income. Fuck. It's not financial advice. So if you do buy it, you're not buying it because I said so, okay? Because I don't want to get sued. You bought it because you believe in the project and you believe the whole idea of getting passive income, so that way you can just do jack shit all day. I mean, like, you know what I like to do all day? I like to share conspiracy theories that can possibly tick off certain people. Why? Because I get a kick out of that. Just not everyone, of course. Just certain few. Because, gosh, it's too funny, man. When you put out your opinion out there and then haters just hate, like, yo, you're making it easier for me to troll you. Yeah. But, yeah, man, I should stop doing that. Honestly, it's karma is gonna get me back some way or form. But to be honest, when it comes to sharing conspiracy theories, I'm not doing it for the sake of really pissing people off, even though that is what's doing right now. But I'm doing it because, yo, my conspiracy theories are coming true, man. especially in regards to this pandemic, which I believe is a plandemic. Okay. But yeah, I just mainly do it just for expressing my anger, and it allows me to cope with all the shit that's been happening. But there's definitely better ways for me to cope. Um, but fuck that. What else can I talk about? Yeah. What the hell? Where the price at? Yo, what the fuck? Okay, the bot here is not displaying the price anymore. Oh, they're probably doing some shit. Whatever, man. So as you can see, the roll count still remains the same. Whenever there's more rolls, that just means they're adding more people on the team, which is definitely a good thing. Now, I've been participating in the discussions as well every now and then. And yeah, so far the community is amazing, man. Everyone loves this project. They're in the process of like talking about stacking some more. And yeah, overall, the sentiment of both Thor, Power, as well as Vapor Nodes as well, is very, very positive. Oh, I can't forget about Comb Finance as well, because they're also part of the same Union of Transparency. I don't really have them, man. I'm not into Comb Finance. I'm just into Thor and Power right now when it comes to nodes. And both of these two combined is giving me around $400 passive income on a daily basis. So I am so fucking happy with that one right now, with just these guys alone, because now I'm going to use those profits to not only stack more, which will get me more profits, but I will be using their awards as a way to buy the fucking dips, and also to pay off whatever debts I have. So thank you. I'm so glad I found this project, and I just want to say thank you, Vince, from the crypto chat group. You've been very helpful, and I can't thank you enough for shilling this project to me. These two projects especially. And also Mike too for helping out. Yeah, Mike and Vince, those guys they're fucking whales, man. Yo, these guys have like 7 to 9 Odins. So what the fuck? Like, it only takes them like 2 to 3 days to make an Odin now. I'm kind of jealous, but I'm on my way of getting there, okay? Anyways, guys, that is all I have for you in this video. Even though these two projects, Thor and Power, are fairly new, the moves that they've been doing, yo, it's been fucking amazing, man. And I honestly can't wait what they have in store for next month. And you're probably gonna be hearing that same crap again from me for the next 2 weeks, because I've been on these guys almost on a daily basis, almost every single hour. I'm looking at the Discord. Why? Is because, yo, these are really good investment. Yo, I just want to be part of the community. I just want to be there every single step of the way. I just want to see their growth to the point where, yeah, I'm living pretty right now, man. Not pretty in a way where I have so many material things, but living pretty in a way where, like, I wake up with less stress on my shoulder. I can go to sleep whenever I want, wake up whenever I want, and just, I don't even have to worry about bills right now, guys. That's how happy I am right now. I do have some debts that I gotta pay off. But you know what? Those motherfuckers can wait. I'll just keep making money and I'll pay it off. I swear to God, I'll pay it off soon. Anyways, that's all I got. If you did enjoy this video regarding the updates of Thor and Power, press that like button. Also share my video as well, so that way other people can get annoyed by my voice and my opinions. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, so that way you get to see all my other videos. And also press the notification bell button. I should display it somewhere, so that way you get notified when I come up with the next cool shit. Anyways, guys, that is all I got.